Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in the kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make a chocolate and peanut snack that you won't stop eating anytime soon. Unfortunately, I lost the sound to this first part of the episode, but with me here, I have some peanuts that I showed you how to roast them in yesterday's episode. You can check that out. And here I have some chocolate. I am using some dark compound chocolate, but you can also use the milk chocolate or the white chocolate or whichever chocolate that you prefer. We'll start by cutting our chocolate into small sizes. And for this was about 250 grams of chocolate, and I'm going to divide it into two. So I'm going to be using roughly 100 to 125 grams of chocolate. Then I'm going to chop them into small pieces, then melt them over boiling water. Then I'm going to mix them with my peanuts and add them into my fridge and let them set for about 20 or so minutes. In the meantime, I'll be working on the leftover chocolate, and let me tell you one thing, Mina. Chocolate is good, peanuts are good, but this combination will slap you a good one. Just try it out. And how to know it's ready is when you touch, you can't see anything left, and we're going to remove it. And wow, look at this. Wow, this looks like something I want to eat on a daily. Then we are now going to slice it. As you've seen, it was that easy preparing this snack, and let's just give it a taste test. And you can confirm that this is just something very sweet. If at all you're a sweet tooth, try out this recipe. The peanuts are amazing. They were well salted. The chocolate is also sweet. Wow, this is amazing. I can't stop eating this, and I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also try out this recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.